The tech world is currently standing on the precipice of a monumental shift, and at the center of this storm sits a device that has redefined portability for over a decade. We're talking about the iPad Mini 8, a device that isn't just a seasonal refresh, but a complete reimagining of what a small form factor powerhouse can actually achieve in 2026. For years, the Mini line was the quiet overachiever, tucked away in the shadows of the Pro and the Air, but something shifted behind the sealed doors of Cupertino recently. The leaks we are seeing today aren't just whispers. They're a loud declaration that the small tablet is about to become Apple's most aggressive play in the mobile computing market. Imagine holding the raw power of a desktop workstation in the palm of your hand, a screen that rivals professional cinema monitors, and a battery life that seems to defy the laws of physics. This is no longer a dream. The iPad Mini 8 is coming to reclaim the throne of the ultimate travel companion. And today, we are stripping back every layer of rumor, supply chain leak, and insider secret to reveal exactly why this device is going to be the most important tech release of the year. Think back to the last major update we saw for the Mini. It was impressive, sure, but it felt like a safe bet. This time, Apple is reportedly abandoning the safe route entirely. The internal codename circulating through the supply chains in Taiwan and China suggests a radical departure from the A-series chips we've grown accustomed to. We're looking at the integration of the M4-based architecture specifically tuned for a compact thermal envelope. This means for the first time in history, the gap between the iPad Pro and the iPad Mini is narrowing to the point of disappearing. Imagine editing 8K ProRes video or running complex 3D rendering software while sitting on a plane using a device that fits in your jacket pocket. The sheer engineering required to dissipate that kind of heat in such a small chassis is nothing short of miraculous. Yet the blueprint suggests a new graphene-based thermal management system that keeps the device cool under extreme pressure. This isn't just a tablet. It's a thermal masterpiece designed for the power user who refuses to be tied to a desk. But the power is only half the story. The window into this soul, the display, is receiving its most significant upgrade since the inception of the line. For the longest time, jelly scrolling and LCD limitations haunted the Mini, but those days are officially dead. The iPad Mini 8 is moving to a tandem OLED structure, similar to what we saw in the high-end Pro models. This results in ink black levels, a peak brightness that will make outdoor viewing in direct sunlight a breeze, and a 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate that makes every swipe, scroll, and animation feel fluid like liquid mercury. When you see this screen for the first time, your eyes will have to adjust to the sheer density of pixels and the vibrancy of the color gamut. It's an immersive experience that turns every movie, every game, and every creative project into a living, breathing piece of art. They've also managed to shave the bezels down even further, giving us a nearly edge-to-edge canvas that makes the device feel like you're simply holding a pane of glass that comes to life. Connectivity is another area where the Mini 8 is set to dominate. In a world moving towards 6G and ultra-wideband satellite communication, Apple isn't leaving anything to chance. The rumors indicate a new custom-built 5G modem that is not only faster, but significantly more power efficient. But the real kicker is the rumored integration of Compute Link technology, allowing the iPad Mini 8 to act as a secondary, wireless processing hub for your Vision Pro or Mac. This creates a seamless ecosystem where your devices aren't just connected. They're physically sharing the workload. Imagine your iPad Mini handling the heavy background rendering while you navigate the interface on your MacBook. This level of synergy is what separates Apple from the competition, and it positions the Mini 8 as the brain of your mobile setup. Design-wise, the iPad Mini 8 is expected to adopt the refined, titanium-reinforced aesthetics of the latest iPhone Pro models. This makes the device lighter than ever while significantly increasing its structural integrity. It feels denser, more premium, and incredibly durable. The color palette is also shifting to a more sophisticated Pro aesthetic. Think space black, natural titanium, and a stunning new deep cobalt that shifts in the light. Every button, every speaker grill, and even the USB-C port, which is now rumored to support Thunderbolt 4 speeds, has been reconsidered for a more tactile, high-end feel. This is a device you don't just use, you experience it. Let's talk about the Apple Pencil Pro 3 integration. The Mini has always been the favorite for digital artists and note-takers on the go. With the Mini 8, the latency is being reduced to a level that is virtually indistinguishable from real ink on paper. New haptic feedback sensors in the screen will mimic the texture of the brush or pen you are using. If you select a charcoal tool, the screen will provide a subtle vibration that feels like the grit of charcoal on canvas. This tactile feedback loop is a game changer for creators, making the digital experience feel physical and grounded. It's these small, thoughtful details that prove Apple understands its audience. The Mini 8 isn't just about specs, it's about the feeling of creation.